Question 22. The diagram shows an ordinary die in which the scores on opposite faces always total 7. It is placed on a horizontal table with the one face facing east. The die is moved 4 times, rotating it each time through 90 degrees about an edge. The faces in contact with the table are first 1, 2, 3, then 5. In which direction is the one face facing after this sequence of moves? So I've got a die, 2, 3 on the front. This is east, north, south, west. Okay, so we're doing face first 1, then 2, then 3, then 5. So you can see the 3 on the side there. It's not easy, but I think we can do that there. Okay, so we're going to start by moving it to the 1. Then we move it to the 2 face. Now the 2 face is just here. Then the 3 face, and the 3 face is just here. And then the 5 face, and the 5 face is just here on this side here. And so we want the 1, and the 1 is here facing west. I've drawn this out, so that's A. I've drawn this out. So we've got 1, 2, 3 here. We then put the 1 face down. Oh, so we've got 6. Try that again. 1, 3, 2. We put the 1 face down. So what we've got is the 6 on the top. 1 face 2 here. Then we put the 2 face down, which still we're rotating in that direction there, which gives us this scenario here. We then put the 3 face down. That means we're turning it this way this time, giving us a 5 at the top. And the 3 is now underneath. Now, when we move to the next one, this doesn't actually change. We're just rotating this forward. We're not changing this one here. So this one stays the same. But it's about visualizing it. Use a dice if you need to, die if you need to, if you can't work it out. So the answer is A.